So you encountered a problem with your Apache configuration while trying to set up the client IP logging for fail2ban. The error message you received when running apache2 configtest pointed to an issue with the RemoteIPTrustedProxy configuration. The error specifically mentioned a problem related to parsing the IP, which seemed to be caused by the equal symbol, in the configuration file. The solution to this problem is to remove the equal symbol, from the lines defining RemoteIPTrustedProxy in RemoteIPInternalProxy. The Apache server was mistakenly interpreting the equal sign as part of the IP address, leading to the parsing error. By eliminating these equal signs, you clarify the configuration directives and allow Apache to correctly process the IP addresses of the trusted and internal proxies. With the modifications in place, the configuration file should now look like this. RemoteIP header X forwarded for RemoteIPTrustedProxy
35.232.202.232.168.232.178.3.232.174.235.4.205.134.134.234.134.80. RemoteIP internal proxy 172.0.8.172.0.7.148.172.0.7.22172.0.6.0.2 4172.0.5.02 4172.0.0.233. By making this adjustment, Apache will now be able to properly process the RemoteIP configuration, ensuring that the client IP addresses are accurately logged for fail2ban to analyze and respond to potential security threats. To summarize, by simply removing the equal signs in the configuration file, you have resolved the parsing error that was causing Apache to choke on the IP addresses of the trusted and internal proxies. Now your Apache setup should be correctly configured to log the client IPs through the RemoteIP module. It's important to pay attention to these small details in configuration files to avoid unexpected errors. Well, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And remember, always keep those configs clean and error-free. See you next time.